Right. So first, when we have this SAP folder,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to download this folder. So it's a big file, would be around 800 MB. So when we see the file, it we receive when we receive the file, it's received as compressed folder. So we have to, first we download this folder, and once this folder is downloaded, which would take around, say, depending on our speed of internet and computer, would take around, say, 3 to 5 minutes time sometimes. So once it's all downloaded, we gotta extract this folder. So we'll just wait for a couple of more seconds. It says, yeah, it's almost done. Now you can open this folder, please. Yeah, perfect. Now double click on this folder. Yes. And then you got to press one first folder, please. Yellow color first one. And then go to folder number 3, GUI, and then Windows. And then we can use 64, 32, anything, but we'll be trying Win32. Go back one step,
32.
please. Yeah. And Win32, and then all the way down, there's one file which is called as setup all. Double click on this file, and we want to extract everything. So click on extract all. Perfect. So extract. Perfect. So now it'll take some time. Usually it takes around a couple of minutes time depending on our speed of Wi-Fi and laptop. So let's wait for some time, let it extract. In between, if you have any question, you can please ask me. Right. So once this folder is extracted, so this extracted folder you will see. Now we can double click and open the folder, please. Right. And then we go to last folder, press 1. Perfect. And then second last folder, GUI. Yeah, then Windows, and then Win32. And then you will see somewhere, I think, setup all file. Double click on setup all file. Yes, please, correct. And then now on your screen, you will get some message. You can continue with this message, please. Right. Now, this is the front end installer screen of SAP we would see. Or we don't have to reboot it. Sometimes, it may ask for us to reboot this system, but we don't have to reboot it. We can just click on next, please. On the screen on the left side, you see these smaller boxes. You can select all the boxes one by one, please. Perfect. Perfect. That's it. Now just click on next, then next, and keep on clicking on next button, please. And it would take around a couple of minutes time to install. Because the file is big, would need some time to install. So maybe a couple of minutes it would need. Okay. So once this installation is done, we at the end get this message which says reboot your laptop, but we don't have to reboot it. You can just click on this close button, please. Now you can minimize everything. Let's see your desktop. On your desktop, you see these two icons. One is blue color SAP logon, and one is white color SAP business client. For our training, we always use SAP logon icon, blue and yellow. Now you can double click on this, please. Perfect. And now once you get this screen, you can maximize the screen. Click on this maximize. Perfect. Now, what are we going to do is, what we have done so far is we have downloaded the folder. We have installed this. We have extracted the folder and then we installed this SAP in our laptop. Now we're going to set up server connection because SAP is server-based software. So now to make server connection, on your screen, top left side, next to variable logon is the create button. Yes, click on this new button, please. Connection, because we're going to create new connection. Click on next button. Right. And here we have to have our server properties. So for the description, you can type SAP in capital, SAP space FICO, and system ID can be EHP, and your instance number can be 04. And last, application server. Your application server, let me check your application server. Just give me one second. Right. So you can type 49.207.10.116. Right. Now you can click on finish button, please. So on your screen, on your right side, this connection is created in your first line, which says SAP FICO. Anytime you got to use SAP, you will double click on this connection. Try to double click, please, to test this server connection. Perfect. So when you double click on this connection, if this screen, which is asking for user and password, comes in, that means a connection is created successfully, everything is fine. Now, you would need user ID and password to log into the system, and this way our installation is completed.